ditch the Dreamweaver drama by easily and completely removing it from your computer. So let's get started. First, let's locate Dreamweaver. If you're on Windows, go to your Start menu. Depending on your Windows version, you might be able to just start typing Dreamweaver in the search bar to find it quickly. If not, browse the list of programs to pinpoint the Adobe Dreamweaver application. Now, open the Control panel. You can search for it within the Start menu or through Windows settings within the Control panel. Look for the option Programs and Features or Add or Remove Programs. It depends on your Windows version. Again, click on that. A list of all the programs installed on your computer will appear. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Dreamweaver and click on it once to highlight it. You should then see an Uninstall button or a similar option near the top. Click the Uninstall button. After highlighting Dreamweaver, an uninstall wizard will begin. Follow the prompts provided by the Adobe Dreamweaver uninstaller. This will usually involve confirming you're sure about uninstalling and potentially choosing whether to remove preferences and settings. Make sure to select every option associated with removing files and settings. The uninstaller will begin removing the Dreamweaver files from your system. This process could take a few minutes, so be patient. The progress is based on the program size and will show the percentage complete as Dreamweaver is removed. Once the uninstallation is complete, a message will display. Sometimes you might be asked to restart your computer, so follow any instructions provided after. You should verify that Dreamweaver is no longer listed in your programs, and voila, you've successfully cleaned the software.